Hello students, today I send you MS Excel 5th class. Let's follow me. Question number 21. How to set orientation? Rotate text to a diagonal angle or vertical angle. This is often used for labeling narrow columns. Basically, 5 types of orientations we are apply in a cell. Those are angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up and rotate text down. If you want to set any other diagonal angle, click on Format Cell Alignment. My dear students, look at here. Click on Home tab. Then under the alignment group, you can set the different types of orientation. Now I show you the Excel page. Look at here. Already I click here Home tab and here is the alignments. So suppose I write here Vivekananda. Vivekananda. Okay. At first I write here, then drag the 5 column A, B, C, D, E. Okay, I set the 5 column. Double click on each point between the two column. Okay, between the A and B, B and C, C and D, and D and E. Click on the A1 cell. Then click on orientations and select angle counterclockwise. Then click on B1 cell. Again click on orientations and click on angle clockwise. Again click on C1 cell. Click on orientations. Select vertical text. Click on D1 cell. Click on orientation. Rotate text up. Click on E1 cell. Again click on orientation and rotate text down. Everyone look at here, A1, B1, C1, D1 and D1. The 5 cells show the text in different angles. Next, question number 22. Already this examples images, different types of images I show you my theory class. Already I sent this content in your WhatsApp group. How to set all content in a single cell on multiple lines. By using wrap text, we can set all content in a single cell. Wrap text. Make all content visible within a cell by displaying it on multiple lines. So how can I set it? Look at the example. Suppose I write here normal text Vivekananda Shikha High School and then apply the wrap text features on the particular cell. So again I click on that particular cell. I click here. Suppose A1 cell and write Vivekananda Vivekananda Shiksha Niketan High SCHOOL school. Again click on that particular cell, that means I click here A2 cell and I click on the wrap text features on the under the alignment group. Suppose I click here, look at the cell, automatically look at here, automatically the text must be fitted on that particular cell more than one line. Next question, look at the examples also. Question number 23, how to set merge and center. Okay, suppose again I click on MS Excel, I copy the same text, so select the text, then click on that particular cell and press Ctrl plus C, or you can click here either copy. Again I click on the next cell, that is B2 cells. Look at here, B2 cells, paste it, Ctrl V. Look at here, the Vivekananda Shiksha Niketan High School, B, C and D, the three cells cover this whole text. So I select B2, C2 and D2 and click on merge and center under the alignment group. Okay, look at here, I fit that particular text and merge it into the three cells B, C and D. Okay, the cells must be fitted. Next, how to set all content in a single cell on single line. How to set all content in a single cell on a single line. My dear students, I click here on a single line, on a single line. So make all content visible within a cell by displaying it on single line. In a single line. In a single line. I correct it. It's a mistake in the sentence. In a single line. So make all content visible within a cell by displaying it in a single line. So how can I visible? Click on the blank cell, type any long text, click on home tab, arrow format cells and look at this arrow symbol under the alignment group and select sync to fit, then OK. So I write here two text, one is a long text and sync to fit. So again I click on the MS Excel. Suppose I type here long text, long, long, text, okay, and write here shrin shrink to fit. So I type here any name. As per my example, I write here application software. So I write here application software, application, application, software. So look at my example, application software. If I select on that particular application software, click on the arrow, that is quick launcher box, So click on arrow symbol, look at the quick launcher box. Under the 3 text control features, the middle is the sync to fit. Click on sync to fit and finally click on OK. Automatically the text must be fitted inside the cell. Again I show you, Control Z, look at here, the text must be copied, Control C, again the paste on sync to fit option, and that must be applied in your same process, sync to fit, and finally click on OK. Look at here, it is the long text and it is the sync to fit. So I think all of you follow my tutorial. Thanks to all.